Right, so this PS5 has been dropped in for an HDMI port. Apparently their friend has tried to repair it. Oh God, no. When the friend repairs it, it's usually a bad sign, but let's see what's going on. Right, so there's some of the screws are missing, so they've been this far. Oh, that's all about. Oh God, I think they've had the top off, because look, they've gone and trapped the cable underneath the metal bit. Oh, for Christ's sake. There's nothing sticking out too much on this side, so should we pull the board, see what we can see? Oh God. Oh God, what in the hell? Yes, they've tried to take it. Jesus Christ, look at the state of it. Right, with the go-ahead from the customer to fix this bombshell here, so let's get this mess sorted out. Right, so I've run the jumpers, and now I'm just testing the port with this. And they're all testing right apart from pin 14. Not pin 14, pin 16 even. So I really don't know what's going on with that, because I can't see any damage to it. There we go, I've epoxied it now to stop the traces moving around. I tried to get rid of their flux, but I don't know what the hell they've used, because it just doesn't come off. So it is what it is, but hopefully it should work now. Right, sorted the CPU out, because as I say, that was all caked up as well, so it was all the liquid metals oxide. Right, let's see if it works. Well, it's on. And we're working. Hey, fix the Carnage. Oh my God, I've just realised. What the hell? They've taken the disk drive to bits. Why? Why? Why are they taking the disk drive to bits for? What the hell? I'm presuming they've lost half the screws because there was only 3 of them in the bag. So there's hardly any screws in the drive itself. I don't even know why they were taking the drive to bits for. Well, it ejects anyway, so presuming it's still working, even though it's got loads of screws missing. And we are on and working. There we go. Carnage repaired. Job done.